This tutorial will walk parents through on how to sign up for parent-teacher conferences. So the first step is to log into your child's Google Amersal account. And next we're going to navigate to this document, Middle School Conferences, and we can see all of the different teachers listed by grade. You're going to find the teacher that you want to book a time with, and you'll click on their name, and then you'll select the calendar.app link. And this is going to open up a version of Google Calendar where we can book a specific time. So we want to make sure we navigate to the week of conferences, and I can see now all of the different time slots that that teacher has available. So I can pick the time slot that works best for me, and I'm going to fill in these different fields, keeping the first name and last name, the name of the student, keeping the email address of the student, and then I can add in the parent name. Once I have these fields filled in, I will select book, and now I can see that that time is booked on that day. I'm going to close out, and I'm going to navigate to my child's Google Calendar. Here, if we click on the time slot that we just booked, I can see the details of that time slot, and I can find the Zoom link that I will use to sign into that parent-teacher conference. If we want to add the parent email to the calendar invite, we can come up to the pencil here and select Edit Event. And then where it says Test or Guests, we can add in the parent email, and then click Save, and then click Send, and the parent will get a notification of the calendar information. Hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, please reach out to the middle school office.